What is up, everybody? Welcome to the Auto 101. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to a super exciting review because today I am driving an F1 car. Sort of. Let me flip the camera and show you what I'm talking about. Here's what I'm actually talking about. This is a remote-controlled Formula One car from Max Verstappen's historic, dominant 2023 season, and this is actually the exact car. Well, not this, but this livery, this model, and this was Red Bull's special Austin livery. You can see the stars and stripes there. Very cool, very dominant season, the most F1 wins in a row, highest winning percentage, just really crazy stats. And now you could get your very own in a little RC car format, but it's actually not so little. I put it on top of this actual real car to show you the scale of how large that is. This is a CX-30. Look at that. That's actually pretty big for a remote control car. I think it's 1/10 scale. Could be wrong, but I feel like this is indicating that it's 1/10 scale. It's extremely detailed. Suspension, you can see the traditional Red Bull undercut. Everything that they could detail is detailed here. You can see the floor edge there. This generation of Formula One cars had a lot of emphasis on ground effect, and you can see they've also even put in some floor edges here to simulate that ground effect look. And what's cool about this remote controlled car is it includes a little wrench, screwdriver, and you could change out all of the wheels like a real pit stop, and they've included another set of white-walled hard tires, and these are some yellow-walled medium tires. So it's an incredibly detailed F1 remote controlled car. I'm going to unbox it now, and then let's take it outside and see what it's like to drive. Let's get into it. All right, here we go. Car is unboxed. I set it up. It's on these medium tires. It also comes with hard tires, but it's sort of the same thing. And look how detailed this is. This is like extremely detailed. The rear wing, the floor is detailed. You could adjust the steering angle here. The front wing has detailing on the bottom. It's really, really well thought out. Take a test drive. This is the remote control that you use to control it. You steer with this. This is the throttle backwards, and you could reverse it. Let's give this a test ride here. Boom. Turn it left. Turn it right. Let's go to the pit lane start on the road. All right. 10 miles an hour. It's pretty fast. Ooh. It's a resilient car, nothing happened, don't worry. And if you find yourself in a pickle, push this the other way and it reverses. There you have it. This is the Maisto 1/10 scale championship winning car 2023 from Max Verstappen. Super detailed, pretty big, and honestly, pretty fast. So if you're a Formula One fan, Formula One enthusiast, a car fan, car enthusiast, remote control car lover, I don't know, check out this car. Super cool. Thanks for watching. This has been the Auto 101. I'll catch you next time. Thanks.